And so with GN Radio UK YouTube and so more the answer when you do YouTube dia makachire share subscribe na share makachire so Dr. Rain we share we subscribe ya mebo more the metua e the amount free the only answer what for GN Radio office line is 0203 735 8820 and 0203 286 0185.
Hello.
Man, Minkai will say, whoop a lawyer, papa, dear. Look nowhere, be a men conquer pocket lawyers, be a man in Mamedada. They are Fortwell Solicitors. One more and I made to me a catcher war. Which made him one dance here, the trail. Say a bunny minimum sense and party. I mean, can't you Jack Fortwell Solicitors or more my benny? Ediano paper modiana TA with me I send a voice note questions be up so be Sebiano. We send a voice note in the echo a year WhatsApp number 0778 793 9958. Bomodiana Senebra Namin Busa lawyer ewo sensemi a edidi won bebe edidi won komoyi why Can say the 1st of January 2021 here EU Great Britain any mobiem Wonkrata na ewu etwem lawyer bia fun immigration, asylum, family, employment, civil litigation, wills and probate. No more but me abwa and our rent won't send them. Landlord and our landlady be COVID-19 sends me by or how long but me afraid. One more office CC the offer 020 33257 COVID-19 still a one more boy Juma. Enche lawyer Bebani and a dream come order that na enche in the dream come. Yes, I'm a lawyer here ready. But my main car was a new my boy come doctor Papa Kwesi in doing and for what someone come pocket lawyer be a man in juicy can do. Banisa answer na bega senkrat and be na afidi wako twitwe sika bebre mu sensem bebre. Amanfo be dad down ni na me si na meboa na ni na yaza Fortwell Solicitors. Omu okrom. Fortwell Zemekan just say ye wo krom. Obo adwuma. When it comes to law, you refuse to when the Akaja say you don't have no right for appeal. Lawyers who be share one character and no one reference and no one feelings and simply no one can say Akaja so there be omoboa be senior ko. We be kwa catch so all right. Medin Dr. Rena. Say one more share on Facebook, Mamunina Kwaba. Also, I'm with you with TUNEIN and say, Mamma Kwaba by your video cases where GN Radio UK. Nemo Mamenka was says, I hope I say, when ye a boom, a tune subboom now to near your advert, the name is Lewa Kai. Say, yeah, advertising team, you know. Samenka was one telephone numbers in the ABA Peso advert be a birthday advert, 07957391786. I'm say lawyer are ready in Tibacon and Chain. Hello, good morning, lawyer.
Good morning, I had a boko.
Yes, you pa. Kama. Lawyer, and say maybe say you should wangasa current issues ne latest information be IPPM fan emremuns and some immigration family ne litigation huns and some. And I didn't idea akotini ambutimi dia tudwa ama yetifo hwe yen ene omo wuti en tweet.
Yo medasi bebre ene die update kesia ewo hono me pese be discuss mainly a recognition of foreign marriage and divorce certificates. For the past few weeks, we are in here, and I say a lot of issues are in for with divorce certificate or my tries or the application about accept. Now most times say they are working na maybe we have my account with so over and over again into ebi mo etia omo de share mo ho etu hu anamo ebi mo so etia they assume say bia dia ye kano enye ne kwan so into de omo pe na omo akoye na akokose problems amomo. Now one of the main reasons why I person discusses are divorce certificates are the figure na eba krom has say the fact say recent cases are made some be more criminal issues because of divorce certificate or modi figure na ba affairs anka any issue and no na person be church so we share Ghana ye mra no say dia etina na ene ahade no ya sekakra and for that reason it is expectation say ukowari figure na eba krom has say it will be accepted. In a Okojaya warrior, so if Ghana at the back room has saying so, and also will be accepted. Now, for the past few years, we have realized certain trend the air coso. So we share your marriage certificate and divorce certificate if Ghana to specify it was divorce certificate because another main issue. We share divorce certificate if Ghana banam. Obi o hono ma wakwa divorce no efe wa backroom ha say so kwa akoware obehwe ne ya accuse ne say ne divorce no is not valid na chese wakoware me chrome house nso ye say polygamy any polyandry enye emra ntino so wakoware me no a obeti wa commit criminal offense wa hwe ya betimi e de wo atu na the reason why ankofo enim the reason problems or omunya ne say so we share divorce recognition and mra expresso ewokromana Family Law Act 1986 section 46 so Family Law Act we actually the basis are what the divorce certificate if Ghana eba so mutimi yede eg2 na omo recognize it nyeme bia so mutimi meeting and one of the main things are they want to see before they recognize what divorce certificate is the fact say divorce now we Ghana kromu ho nankasa no recognized intino obi o hodo ma obeye divorce efifie ebeba do ubehwe mu no na wanfa kwan paso na de koye sa divorce application intino Ghana crown no enye recognize my more is typical example so we share Ghana emre mu a so warrior within the first 2 years no unti enye petition for divorce okay say obi the divorce certificate if Ghana eba na oware in the last year na osisi awanya okra divorce certificate we nya pepepe e aba straight away no we know say even according to Ghana law they are valid until it should not be accepted. The other issue they say obi no ma bia na opeso go ahead with the divorce say we follow process bi o call your application e call Ghana court o call permission e wo hono all my permission we are answer na we proceed with the divorce if you haven't followed the right processes now we need our permission application e can document na what the beba no ho clearly you say one fa kwan so and I call the divorce certificate so it should not be recognized. The second issue so we share family law act in we need to establish and I say at the time of the petition and I say at the time of divorce na any fan parties no more involved na omote na we share Ghana and Remwa we are expecting say before I obey divorce now you were staying in the country 12 months prior to the divorce Alhambra also recognizes that fact into what would Tikrumu has said for the last 12 months. Now, the divorce certificate, if you Ghana, Beba say, what could divorce if you Ghana or Ghana court? They clearly it's me who say, one for Kwan, so now the certificate, into so who it's me eba asem. Now, say, oh, yes, sir, what are some of the issues in Crawford area? Obi wɔ hɔ nom a wayɛ divorce all right ebia ɔyɛɛyɛ no wɔnyɛ n'adwene so ɔde bɛyɛ immigration application bia ɔyɛ divorce no te deɛ bɛtumi ama no kwan na wayɛ free to remarry anaasɛ ɔbɛware foforɔ nti no okura the divorce certificate wakɔ registry ha sɛ ɔkɔ akɔware what we have seen in the past they say ebi mu akɔware all right because okɔ ɛbɛma form sɛ failing we a divorcee anaasɛ we a then what's your status. Most of the registries, they are aware of the fact say before I obey divorce if you Ghana, so it's not Ghana for 12 months and sana waiting into for your divorce certificate ever at that very last minute. Near stop you almost say myself with divorce certificate and yet valid into and yet idea waiting me go ahead and waiting a proceed. Why our real no untimi enye. Almost so omentimi present omo divorce certificate and son omo ye aware no bi mutimi go ahead with that warrior then later on nya free police amount say nipa si mesi say wakɔ mienu wa committee offense criminal act mo investigate if possible among prosecuting and no so ewo hɔ are affecting nkrɔfoɔ they are going through a lot of difficulties. Then the third problem amount for a encounter with divorce issue, is say ABA officer or year application echo home office verification. ABA with their warrior or warrior for. So we share home office for ankasa guidance or issue regarding your divorce. Now they state clearly say check is 12 months before divorce proceedings, then the panel etikrom and most of us also obey divorce if you chrome has said needs her evidence it just say almost Ghana for 12 months preceding the divorce. And also one problem. The good thing is most applications are for edit to echo efficacy. We realize a home office for Nankasa almost and follow or guidance to obey me the divorce certificate if you Ghana ever not their application near their man. Obi nso bɛyɛ wobɛhwɛ no akonya problems nti nkurɔfoɔ bebree ɔmo si na menim sɛ madamfo bi the divorce certificate efi Ghana the kɔɛ wɔanya problem ade nti na me nso mentimi ɛmfa nkɔ. What we are trying to say is the fact say wadamfo bi ayɛ application akɔ a wɔanya issues no ɛnkyerɛ sɛ ne kwan so ano no ana ɛnkyerɛ sɛ they have done the right thing because in future no when ebia so yeah appeal be say issues with the back one say obi a case worker be or home office or onim say their embrana esi etin ehumu a obetimi enya ama problem na akoko say nyama bebre ebi mo honoma when they experience that problem now what they have to do is say or my warriors is here or my warrior in order for them not to have issues some year application to the courts na omuye be a friend annulment lecture say we kaware as if say it never existed. Now we share even annulment process na ewo Ghana no so no na say we na chrome hot 12 months preceding that and also not possible for nkofo bebre they will have to go through the UK court to try and annul their relations but I said their marriage a cause problems ama amount for bebre. and your best for say if they are planning say be divorce or my warrior or my and who say we if ye a warrior customary marriage and now say any type of marriage we are no if you are planning say obey divorce the starting point in here the last address are one on who come from 89 if the last address I know who come for 89 a chrome has here my advice is a bomodi and a year I say because ubekwa ye fi Ghana ebeba no ebia ebeye in term amount but one hwe na akokosi problems in the amount in future with any application via obey yi saa divorce recognition to nkyɛn another thing nso a aba apa you want yɛn fiefoɔ no to take note no ɛyɛ saa no recourse to public funds issue no yɛn nyɛ yɛnim sɛ there was a recent court case home office for no yɛdi gu ɔmo so ɔmo ntumi nwin meaning say they have to make a few amendments nti no we are encouraging people say mo a saa COVID-19 crisis bi affected how you are planning say mobile year application and where you say no recourse to public funds if it's so you should proceed and do those applications but say there be a amount for one and if it is so no make sure say before your application no what do nyama at 2 years because they would expect to say will bank statements will pay slips will be only TFA be bank statements any pay slips you know if you can see for would like to interrogate those ones including womba a oni omu etifie ebi mo ho no mo je say oh me wo sika kakra ba me yi e de to me ba account mu a okay there be what we have realized is a home office one and kwala akra pa or more bank accounts they want to have access to it intino for those people also no in as much as they encourage you almost bra forward na omonya application na omo yi sa no recourse to public funds the mf omo krata so no making sure say they follow the right advice and legal help to make sure that they've done it properly affect your omo krata in future
yo with the lawyer near that see my main corner main bo voice note to be ascending about this but before that you know my main head I mean for phone numbers no and to edra numbers near 0203 735 8820 and as 0203 286 0185 yeah WhatsApp no so send a voice note and so gusua mebona lawyer and so no numbers no 0778 793 9958 uko Facebook sisi anso a obehun se me ne lawyer edwetwe nkomo ewo ho sanso na TUNEIN nso betumi ate yenka YouTube nso wo YouTube live nso wo ho ye website nso so ye www.mygnradiouk.com sanso na ye Facebook nso ye GN Radio UK YouTube nso ye GN Radio UK na kaise me ne lawyer wo Fortwell Solicitors lawyer Dan Koy na mene ne etwetwe enkomo efa immigration na na de ye hwe more on marriage I free Ghana eba dadodo sen na ye se wutumi jai aware ansa na wodo nkrata atum ehu behia pa se wobetie lawyer ka asem bi o se nkrata na bu wa kwa bi wa na home office fo mani anhye dan gohwehwem obi esuno bia ne ti obi abekọ na afedi ekwa gohwehwe wonsem mu but still an lawyers me kan jo se eba ne sa na ansa ankoyi a o metumi aboa yenko ne ekotie voice note a obi asene di aba
ne lawyer anopay me patcho me pese me bisa asem kakra in regards to taking the restriction of the
Bacho Devi
good morning. Me pacho yamin show any ejuma one lawyer anopay. Me pacho me pese me bisa asem kakra in regards to taking the restriction of my residence card no recourse to public fund. Me pacho me wo enkwala mienu na me ne madam for ena etse ba me ye adwuma all right boso me mitimi enya my salary 1,300 that's an average I thought it me back to say 900 because me ye adwuma 0 hours contract na me pese me tu sa na mo no na me make application na omo yi restriction no e free so ma me senia at least menya baby a metimi ne nkwala me no atena but at the moment I was say me renew me up me visa ne bewu enche bia me renewal enti patcho me wo sika kakra be 1,500 eda me savings mo me patcho me bisa lawyer say savings kakra na eda ho no ebe affected na me da sepa
Lawyer patcho ote
Minya meti no kakra. If my yes will end well, like I said.
Lawyer jina suma me na me pick call we na yemfa ofrefo no na memfa na answer question nyina say call na katiko enti no lawyer mpacho ma me say won kora mi 2 years na obesu obusa say obetimi no record funds obetimi abomodin aboa na yi na free so na wetimi but our savings £1,500 be on account him obusa say entimi affect ne no
Debbie entimi affect the way the application. You see, so we hear application they are looking at a number of things. Okay, one of the things that you person say and yes say a bia unisika ewo, but the fact say sika na like a bia person your application be a home office onoma utua sika ni we are ube destitute ube ye unya sika krampa odi bedidi. Okay, until we look at a lot of factors a bia ye nipa ya or sending a message ube share the rent now ube share the other expenses are or use na sika bia na enso into very important says obenya support from government no we have public funds into who was savings 1,500 near share or rent near share or other things or income expenditure anymore say bibia then we can say you know what waiting me I qualify by any bar now send some message I will encourage her say even though I was 1,500 savings on yes application and not on try now omu enyi enfi nenkrata no so for people are omu 2.5 years are omu 10-year route most people will qualify say
lawyer pacho so obodu enum kakra na yemfa call away na mewie nso am de mabo note voice note bi ama. Hello, good morning, welcome to GN Radio UK. Hello.
Yeah, hello, good morning.
Good morning. Pacho, obetumi ama onesu kakra na udini be bia free. Lawyer 8 you.
Pacho, Dr. Rennie.
Pacho, Dr. Rennie.
Hey, doctor. Ade.
Hey,
Wama kuma di yache.
Fache ye na lawyer 8 you. Eti ye.
Pacho yo. Mati mami yenite.
Yo.
Pacho lawyer no pe mi mawachim. Na mpacho doctor mami enye yiwe sisi afast am say na voice note na oboye no na lawyer kasa yente ewo ye side ha no nti misro obi am technicians on bit me because o kasa yente mami come asem so yeah na o kasa yente o aksa yente nti misro wa me person bi sa lawyer say you phone sisi a ukofa ebi our family member eba wo de ebi a uma and our family wo di do mo ba sisia na se wo ye obi a person wo je residence na ema mo so mo wo two categories mo se ba kon mo ma se 1.5 years or so and ba kon so betinya ya obinya 5 years but so person be salary so betinya chechi wo kakra ama ye na ye hu ye ebi a se ye bi a ye bi hu ye wase ye
Any international loyalty o. Lawyer Pacho te
mpacho meti ye pam
you.
okay so share EA regulations now and I say EA applications now CCR no ye war transition period. Okay. Into the transition period now, ye want the extra say the old laws na ye use to answer Brexit we in your airban on so no valid. Into no obi ohonuma obeso ye application na otimi ye application using the old regulations, and the regulation 2016. Year regulation 2016. So we year application using SAR regulations now, and Kratana Yedebema no ebe valid till June. Okay, end of June next year, 2021. However, so we year application using the new regime, a year appendix EU, because a year say year female introducing new immigration rule like friend appendix EU. Into the year application using appendix EU now, then meaning say you be mount and crata which will be valid until 5 years time. Okay. Into no obi ohonuma or an application now there may be a reason or circumstances so be use the old regime. Into no obi use old regime ABA or struggle say obi use a new identity check or phone so to check the identity, not the document or with all the technical issues in a complicated manner. Now I hear application under the old regime, because I don't know be fill form, now they will documents and as a supporting evidence, I can not what submit echo home office. When you look at those two way regimes now, that is the only difference. But it depends on you. May if application at the moment. Now you have the capacity to go through the new system. Now I will encourage you to obey any salmon because and obey save you sika. We now obey 5 years, which will continue. The main reason why I previously for that's used to old regime and said now they were not too sure. Say so year application now you refuse you under the new regime now obey right of appeal and also munya right of appeal. For that reason, the people were more confidence on these old regulations because another old regulations, we application being and farm now just say you will be entitled to appeal rights. That was the main reason why people were using that system.
Yo, lawyer, young Konamimbo voice note, even I'm say voice note na ebano edoso na 3 year no MIN 10 na trewe. Everybody make I say GN Radio UK no wasugusu a wutie no wutie a bomodia questions no aya me pese me amebusa wangasa busa for phone na frɛ lawyer numbers no ye be pon kra me de betudwa but since ya na studios line here ye WhatsApp ne 0778 793 9958 0778 793-9958. Pacho office line is no 0203 735 8820. Timisura Bomodiana Frena lawyer wa na from 2021 the any UK any EU eton kwanta ya pai.
Na mpese ni bisa asamu kakra wo hi we dey achopa
voice notes did yeah but so we are not watching me kakra because we
2019 na me ba UK ha na me ban me the student visa and buy 6 months na me dey buy it be buy and so ma be course 6 months but man ko na me visa level na me ban no na me wo yiro wa Ghana and so na me ba na me pe me visa ni pe visa no the me fare me document no and me fare se mo
na me fe me I'm send the voice no ewo phone papa pacho mo amutie no mo send the voice note na me sre mo aya mo mpagya mo ne kakra send a lawyer betumi ate na ewo form dodo me sre mo a
na mpɛsɛ mebisa asɛm kakra wɔ ho mede akyɛpa mepɔmakyɛw lawyer ifiri Ghana by last year October 2019 ɛna meba UK ha na meba no mede student visa ɛna bae 6 months ɛna mede bae nti mebaeɛ nso no mabɛyɛ kɔɔ 6 months no but mankɔ ɛna me visa no wo na meba no na mewɔ yerɛ wɔ Ghana ɛnsa na meba na mepɛ me visa no nti mpɛ visa no nti mefare me document no mefare sɛ mewɔ yerɛ wɔ Ghana a mede me marriage certificate na aka ho sɛ mewɔ yerɛ wɔ Ghana na mefare nti mebɛduyɛ no
Unse mbakra. Yeah, since we radio no so.
See, I know tournament na BMT no. April and what they call Ghana court or Ghana. The court or Ghana.
Lawyer, wait the metie na maka kyerɛ na maka kyerɛ tie fo.
Yeah, because in your
said the owura ne kan nyina ne sɛ wo ba krom ha October 2019. No wobedu ye no the student visa ne buy. The student visa no nso ewu. No wo yere Ghana all filing nso ka so wo yere. Obedu kroma nso so mso wate se ne yere eja no. Sisi nso overstay for the 6 months no. No na obusa. Se sisi wonya oba bia.
Asisi ano.
Say if Uber Chrome has say, you know, na waware in Uber Chrome has say, na one nipa na waware no efie no mwekai edia, then of course kwan so timi ware foforo. That's the main thing. The only issue, you know, say that I may discuss it previously, and say we need to look at the basis and as a kwan how far so would jai aware no. If ujai awareno by using court proceedings, you need to make sure say you have done it and done it properly, because one follow the right processes and find jai awaria, then it may come out say divorce na why any cramp no enye valid, meaning say only who can say obe ware for fraud. That is the issue. If you have followed the right processes and quadia, then you are okay. You can proceed and get married. And if will be challenging the validity of a divorce certificate, now you can take all the documents and then you can pursue them and make sure say it is rectified and done properly for you. Into no you na wabana wabe overstay any there. The way they are in quadia and quite our honor so it's our
Yo lawyer yankona menkobo Emmanuel so the voice note say Emmanuel de ne say waman wapeja ne kakra nti yankoni nkuti Emmanuel de no
mpacho yo.
Good morning lawyer NGN radio medi Emmanuel na me pese bisa asem kakra bi na masem bisa ne say me yere ekita EU national but our settled status e wo UK na me mo Ghana me ti fi Ghana sisi ya na before se pandemic ba no ya arrangement sen ka oba am court medical aye fie aye custom marriage awie e de ma ko hu na busuafo nyina awie bet because no ni hent no me ye obi gina man ye bibia but it was with her consent into ye bibia man busuafo bibia awie na de se ko yeso ko oba Ghana am ya be court marriage en ka team dey apply amana de abe family am na ko kan ho e wo UK but na we be boom no, but as you speak think you trying say you better try say can we resume back na ko mo beba but you heard the one say na man twiko akiri na because you can say you UK for so free EU mu before 31st December or mama ya asinema besesa intina ya bisa say final feel ya house you beat to me you can say me kwa metimi apply no hanom aye wa bra ni kwan so beba be possible sir. Because when you say I was seeing here marriage certificate, marriage certificate, na I was all bar as a near my lockdown and money my Italy. Until I was wondering, I was asking Sabia, me committee me apply Ghana has say I be hanum na media by you can your quote our and as saying na there's no shame me boss so me try man ba na as me meet me apply without say only mention. That's really great.
Lawyer Ambacho so we the clerk akrama.
Clear kakra, but I was trying very difficult to understand the question, you know, whether say or Chrome ha and answered your Sunday question or Ghana.
Ɔse ɔwɔ Ghana na ne yere no wɔ ha na ɛmi sɛ ɔmo ayɛ aware ayɛ biribi a obi ne gyina mu maa no ne yere no deɛ na ka ɔbaa no yɛ sɛ nkɔ no nso bɛtu anamɔ akɔtoa no wɔ Ghana ɛna COVID-19 ɛbaeɛ sisi no ɔno busa sɛ ɛnam COVID-19 sɛnsɛm yi ɔbaa no nso ɛmi sɛ ɔbaa no nso yɛ EU ni EU foɔ nso bɛfiri mu ɛyɛ next year January asoma busa ne sɛ ɔno nko abɛtumi ago ahead na wakɔ akɔyɛ marriage na nya marriage certificate na ɔmo de tuma man area aba befa na aba ekurum ha na.
Oh yes, onu kwa betimi go ahead aye aware no without ne yere ne ebefi hase abeka ne ho, meaning say omuntimi enye normal registry and as a civil marriage no so mo ye customary marriage. Say Ghana no de bia me kyeremu say there were 3 different types of marriages. There was customary marriage if you are in the world the core registry no akoye and I be mobile no sorry them no in the world Islamic one. Fortunately for us no most of them no recognized, okay, for customary marriage you say recognized say we really to me in 2.5 UK beka ho e Ghana ma mo nye more marriage in dia mesro say mo be follow customary marriage process no na ma worry if you do it the proper way in Kwadia UK government recognize it I'll be media application now dia ba. But I also have to let people understand say enyen no say after 31st and as you fee we EU for ni fi mu a yentimi befa omuntimi conform ho ka for emba biom enyen no kre. If we EU national now will Chrome has say now why your application for settled status no and now why application for pre-settled status even after UK if we EU nimu completely without any transition period no cramp no possible say still no ubetimi akofa ohun kan for aba into the bema because of omu fi munity one rush na we need ebe cause problems ama so we you need to apply for settled status ni bi nkwaa we okay still waiting me for obusuan for ediaba after the year fee no
yo lawyer we dey ma making kind message aba our WhatsApp phone so mame ema wo mo so mo hwe wo Facebook na akwaba yada ma so say mo frɛ unso wo question bi now dey aba na making kind ama lawyer o say hello lawyer I was on 5 years visa which I got through my stepdad who is EU citizen. My mom has indefinite leave to remain. When I applied for indefinite after my 5 5-year visa expired, I was refused because I had moved from my father's home. Now I have a 4-year-old child who was born in the UK and my dad applied for him settled status for him through settled status, but he was given pre-settled status. The Home Office letter sent to us states that if we think he qualifies for settled status, we can apply. My father has settled status. Will my 4-year-old child who was born in the UK and also a grandchild of EU citizen qualifies for settled status?
Not necessarily say a grandchild ever qualify for settled status because a grandchild, as she rightly said, no, enye ono neba enye ono no owu akwalani. If ono no wu akwalani dia na ne papa na was settled status, then akwalani betimi crampo I application for British passport crampo. Make us say we shouldn't even be worrying about settled status if possible. But with the circumstances, yes, and correct if papa edo back room has say near amount 5 years. Now during that 5-year period, no only papa ne ain't na say 250 or no they have every right to say be refuse your application, because the basis I didn't crack an amount was the fact say who depended on who papa no. And I say we a member of Upapane household. Until if you move out, it becomes a problem. Luckily for her, ne papa no etimi akoye application for pre-settled status ama akwalano. The main reason why I probably modesa settled status and Emma akwalano is the fact that bia move back with the father living at the same property. If they have all moved back living at the same address, then it may be possible so or no so be jina ne ba no so no dia ni application. But for the fact say ne akola ni tina has say for 5 years already just 4 no, it will not be possible so be expected say you ma akola ne settle status. Pre-settle status is the best that she could get in the circumstance of finding a home.
Yo, wait there, lawyer, was him in conjunction so or that's it now. Gusua so ATA, radio Jimano. Now, lawyer, wait, question I will be Busana say, my main kind, you say, well, I have applied for a visit visa in the past, but can't find the same visa category listed. Why? Was so I applied that.
You see, say with the home office for no. From time to time, no, changes immigration rules anymore. Previously, no, the type of visitors visa available, no, it may have moved. Meaning the type of visitors visa or application in the past. Now, no, about baby your friend Appendix 5 and I say because Appendix B, which states all the bases are with me at the application for visitors visa. Whatever be the circumstances, depending on reason in here or person or bahase, so Otimi selected one of those options. You shouldn't be thinking, say, oh, in the past, me your application say me bahase abeye say I didn't know Sadian any or ABA not is moved ABA or an application 10 years but it's so many years ago. There have been a lot of changes following that process. Just say now all ban then or babeye. Otimi trade your babeye. Based on that, and it's me advice and say on your application for this particular type of visa. I must use this opportunity to advise your listeners and anything. Sometimes when it comes to visitors visa, we believe say, oh, visitors visa they straightforward, easy, and also say any refuse, there's no right of appeal, no on. Look, if you are doing visitors visa application, now Oceana ABI refuse you in the past, and as a Oceana say personal circumstances a little bit complicated. Feel free say you contact a legal rep who will be able to assist you. For example, we have assisted a lot of people on my application for visitors visa. You refuse your in the past, whereby I challenges I refuse or no, and it's been overturned. And who can afford to about holidays, or about your business, about whatever they want to do. It does not matter the category of visa that you are looking for. So long as a UK visa or whatever the circumstance, we are able to assist you. Make sure say you get the right results. I'll be to me about say.
Yo, wait there. Question I will be with Sunny so see or no I apply, but we won't be actual IHS or besides what is meant by IHS fees.
IHS a health surcharge. Okay. Health surcharge and I've been working as a NHS fees.
Okay.
Basically, say back room has say now Wabit room has say more than 6 months. And I say if you are coming here apart from coming for visitors visa, now if you are bar for studies, bar join ukunu, has say on work permit, all those type of all those categories of visas. The expectation is which health surcharge. And almost more room has saying so that the expectation is almost your application which has a health surcharge. It is a who's IHS. Now that's what it means. It's just a matter of them requesting for NHS fees.
Lawyer, question we or say bisa or say not lawyer can say what worry na say in do 2 years untimi njaya worry no eno Ghana worry na say Chrome ha aware.
Chrome has say aware no 1 year. Chrome has say who worry within the first 12 months untimi mba forward self say which aware. Even though with me a year application say or more annually that marriage into within 12 months over say and I with my application for annulment but won't mean your application for divorce in Ghana situation so over say we application for divorce it has to be after 2 years. Okay, into what I was saying is say Yenim said that is what the Ghana law says. And so to me, petition after 2 years. Now Obi Aware just within a year, or Obi Aware within 1.5 years. Now or the divorce certificate about straight away, we know say the person one court Ghana court no just our divorce certificate. Into any legitimate, any genuine, or the could be obenya problems. Into what I'm trying to say is go check Chrome has say Emrana. What it is saying is for any divorce certificate to be recognized, and it must be valid in the country of origin. Into the work of a divorce certificate, if we Ghana and valid or no more, don't expect to say UK authorities will accept such divorce certificates now. The Abano.
Lawyer, question with him say, the way of sending the mood kakra, but maybe Modian say me polishing the kakra. Was say or apply for a year visa, so they be too quine. You refuse, and the software say, ne mammy, if you obey for. Also, a call baby for France, you refuse soon. You see, if you obey for. And the question in and say, why are visa applications refused?
Visa applications for visits.
For visit.
And now say other way,
for visit.
For visits. Okay. They refuse visa applications for on so many basis, and the common example a month for our mobile room has say they are not able to establish say they are engaged in economic activity or back home. Say if we application back room has the expectation is say uber instruction via uber coffee, you will not stay. Statistics according to Home Office and HS say Nkrofo mobile room has say involved in any economic activity back home. Mobile ones uncle view. So be ofie na say onye engage in ebia onye juma oni business be onye any finance or money visa say ombraha, the chances say obeka say onko fie na very high. It is a 1 year application now when me amfa evidence I say you are engaged in an economic activity back home and fan can one likely some be refusing. In as much as ebimonso everyday sad documents in ebebano obi wo honoma na ne bank statement enkoye nti no ubehwe bank account na sika na ewo mu no enye enough to cover the holidays na oba na ebia okatikiti na obuki ebia obeye a few spending ha obenya issues nti no all those things can contribute for a visa being refused. Obi ohono nso a oba be application na 1 month 2 months no akofa sika kese bi efi baby no dey abeto ne bank account and he expects say Home Office for ni home ni be say o nipa no wo sika nti e ma ne kwan omunya hu say cash transactions kese bi nya akoso pe likely say on be refuse your application and an the currency is very, very, very important. Obi ohono ma wa your application in the past he refused or your application be more or be kind of say me year application be a 2018 my year refuse even or didn't say one kind of crena they will not find out. They don't know say with the biometric details now or more any information beyond that they give to them. They keep it for a very long time until you need to follow the right processes. Until if you don't follow the right process, one kind of crap, all these things they can contribute to refuse to application. It is just we not following the right processes and following the guidance. If you are struggling, now you refuse, you are the best thing now by any say over a lawyer to look at for refusals, any pattern of refusal. No making me advice so a client will be to me I rectify that issue. If you rectify it and still they refuse it, may catch up say possible so with me challenging that refusal. And 9 out of 10 times when you challenge it, so that decision it gets overturned. Into the Misremo, when you get refusal, speak to a lawyer and we'll help you.
You with you refuse to dia bomodiana say obefre a lawyer, not just a lawyer, so the obefre dia. I mean, I can only recommend one lawyer I know. I'm name say Obon Homodini. Over 95% the other was some corner. You mutimi boa, mudi wasama. You can't say case to crown, only right to crown for now. You see left in Kwana or omunim kwanya mutimi chinchim left na man better than right. Na womode boa, ma utimi win case. Having so anti akosu I was sending a message o visits I refuse say lawyer church mu enye ma mi gbe info bi na enye fia wo free mu maybe our documents out the ko na wan fan ko yi ni ntino nti the lawyer number betudwa na bomodiana tie na free lawyer na ono so emwa lawyer ma member voice note ya abe ansa na kra na member voice note
yo
my na moka say mo voice a mountain me pacho dia say me mama me so me friend Manuel sa na me issue ni say lawyer me say na me ban na me wojire o Ghana na ma bedu ɛna meyere ne sɛ wontu no mentɛnde ɔde akɔ court a ɔmofa court process no nyinaa mu ɔmo gu awaleɛ no na masɛm pɛ sɛ mbisa ne sɛ so ɔmo gu awale no wie a ba na woka home office for guidelines no ɛde pakyɛ sɛ yɛyɛ no nyinaa fa court process no nyinaa wie na certificate no bi du kurom yɛ a abere a mantena Ghana for 12 years because meba October nti sɛ mesaka divorce certificate na patwɛ mɛtumi de ayɛ application ama na yi because the way na woka home office for guidelines no sɛ wotena fie wotena kurom for 12 months no me problem no sɛ na me ne hɔ de October na me free hɔ ɛsɛ sia deɛ ɛna ɔmo yɛ court process no but no nya yira mpɛ sɛ nka divorce ni ya me dem de awale no usually ni na me de application ba wo kan yɛ no sɛ home office for guidelines no sɛ this wotena for 12 months no ɛna person bisa sɛ patwɔ sɛ me zaka divorce certificate me na yɛ application mana yɛ ya na patwɔ masɛm na no
lawyer patwɔ menim sɛ oti this time around there.
Not really, but you're repeating my academic department.
The can say waba kruma fiti October 2019. What the student visa ne buy student visa no wabesua de ama de na pa na esen kokofie. Then so when timi anko COVID-19 enye COVID-19 but obese just when timi anko what name no oba no so no aware. Oko file ni so ka so aware. But sisi ne yire no so se oja no afi no mo de atuma court process. But now we can about 12 months in Sen no. Since when you about foforo, otimi say o feeling no, person worry no. Na obisa say wetimi akoso no ye nneoma no ma worry ana. Putting in consideration Ghana there no.
Enye possible say on guy in the previous wife no. Na we share will be foforo no be worry no. And only the person obia enya ne clear say misremo say what worry it will fear na ode aba ase ode why application say what worry will fear na aba ne say we could share or be for person worry na misrel but modern follow process no na jai the previous partner no and san wa ko worry will be for because problems are in for a film for side issue no and they are hunted
your lawyer
na unfollow process no jai wo yire na wo fie no ansa na wakoye aware foforo a wo de be your application. It's as simple as that. It doesn't matter whether say COVID-19 so man nyama slow man nyama ejine ina so person jai wo yire no so ana say wo partner na wo fie na making sure say wako the right places so man conform eso mu di wanimu yie no edi wanimu yie be mo nkofo afa nkwan che because wako you to goro boys near there because of pending time. Look, if you don't follow the right processes na one year valid divorce a betimi akose problems we bring at the amount.
Yo lawyer am I fa caller here waba hello mpacho udi ni baby out free hello hello caller oh say ya free no mpacho betimi
who say obi the questions be out to Facebook betimi aka na menkan
okay lawyer am fa caller we answer na working kind no account. Hello caller pacho udi ni baby out free
Hello.
Yeah, hello. Welcome to GN Radio UK. Pacho Dini baby Alfred free lawyer to you.
It's Nick from Excel. I was just making some test calls. I've been speaking to David.
Oh, okay. Sorry. David. I will. David. Contact David on his personal line.
No
thank you so much. Say no friend. Yeah. Office no. And mo fancha yen. Lawyer, but now we can say when your messages be into the if you don't know share WhatsApp the entity for what the other two na me share WhatsApp there no. But you know answer lawyer
if you had your
lawyer but you know answer
had your customary marriage divorce in February 2016 and court divorce in May 2020. Say we customary marriage 2016 na obeye court divorce in May 2020. I don't see anything wrong with it because clearly it's been more than 2 years or so since Amuware Awujai. What I mean yes sure what Indiana or send us a message and they say ne court divorce in May 2020 or UK and I say Ghana because So we here with UK are straightforward. I mean, we hear divorce. Every month, Jane say, we hear if you are and a fear, mean divorce, say. So we here with divorce, no, it solves a lot of questions. However, say the court divorce, no, or yeah, Ghana, then we need to see the court papers to make sure, say, or follow the right processes, to get that divorce, established. And now, so say at the time we divorce, do they have proofs and not almost in Ghana, now? Because if you are not staying in Ghana 12 months preceding that divorce application, now, possible says our divorce and ain't valid. Until you now send some message, say ubetimi after the program, I'm more than happy to consider divorce certificates for you to check, say, move follow the right processes, and now so say if mutina Ghana 12 months and send a more divorce application.
Yo, with the Emmanuel, Bomodian say, me the lawyer number ever to just see na fa pen paper na Bomodian natural. Lawyer, we be so a question ever WhatsApp, na or say, morning lawyer, kindly help me with this question. I've been here for about 2 years and my partner is in Ghana. I know we have not lived together in one address for 12 months. In terms of divorce, how can I go about it? Thank you. I want to see the
it will not be possible. Divorce, it will have to be done through Ghana courts. But what I'm saying is that if your partner ain't now has said that, I say, oh yeah, Ghana, make sure say you go through the court processes, because we issue petition, the court will do a hearing, all the way stages of divorce processes. Make sure say wife follows our processes, now we're documenting it properly, because we will need that to establish say you follow the processes and it is valid in Ghana court, and for that reason UK should also recognize this. One yen is say we may see any of the steps one we are problems.
Yo, lawyer, na my number no and 2 jams will be ASO of friend no na call no sometime na oka sanity call na tiko 0203 735 8820 na bomo de hene na channel so say any lawyer than hello I'm bachola metunka lamba short minka hello lawyer bachola minka yene lawyer dan call na edwetwen komo no Fortwell Solicitors ana yene omo twetwen komo ena no pay na make house Fortwell Solicitors womo bena da bia yene omo tena ase legal matters nhwehwemu na yene omo busebisa mu pensempensemu tino all right enti mamemfa lawyer numbers no na entuja emfa maw na unso frɛ lawyer immediately na lawyer entumi emboa ewo nsɛm bia opese ubusa lawyer na ono so embo modern na omboa lawyer sɛ sisi de ultimate ka hello lawyer na make house Fortwell Solicitors na ndio motwetwe nkomo no womo ewo womo address no sene tie eni Fortwell Solicitors omo unit 1 ground floor Katrina House 50A Clarendon Road Hornsey London postcode near N80DJ telephone numbers no 24-hour number no eni bomodian ni anytime bi abafre bia no bomodian no mapeke no mo wedi nkomo 075 48701011 075 48701011 office line also 020 3325 7030 020 3325 7030 ti Emmanuel bomodia na frɛ lawyer entumi pense mu more because nyensem ni nyina na ye ka no ha obetumi a friend is saying obetumi akomu deep the amount ha de ye eni so education okono wonso so aka hu say first time free consultation wati ntino embohu said the amanfo aya mokwa nkwanchen pocket lawyers ne no we ukwa no betna say betwa wo tea say wo million so betwa wo coffee so nice one and just say they are very lovely ti bomodia na free lawyer it was 07548701011 lawyer answer ne be free akra no ne kra am say question be by but am say no dey yes you be save for next week platinum question you be save for next week till next week wo mo pese o mo hu esate wonka esate woni biem no o mo modern no won bra o mo hwe on Facebook akosua we hu se mo hwe irajwa say or say what if you had your customary marriage divorce in February 2016 and then na yedi hu nkomo and irajwa so ye da se so be join ye Edem so anso be join ye so sa ye da munyina mo ase kama this week next week no I have some surprises for your Facebook for wo mo hwe ye any YouTube for ye was surprise be edemamo ntina mo so mo hu de ro mo ba mo share more platforms and so because this is the only lawyer me maka se meji menim there I can only verify. I can also put my pedigree on the line amano because obo adwuma lawyer ansa ne be free akra no ne kra
yo me da se be brave se de mema etie for ahye no so me say
lawyer kasa bafo
they are open for clients at the moment we put a lot of safety measures in place because of current COVID-19 crisis at air cost no into the bench say you are going to get infected there we are going through we've put stringent measures your cubicle you stay in, you don't really have face-to-face interaction with anyone. It means no akasa pepepe. It means so a year Zoom and answer Skype consultation into so UTH now on person will be 2 point at their by office and so on. We have the facilities a year remote consultation. It means no akasa phone so say they are can pepepe no yeah in this for your initial consultation. Into the bench row say over friend now we be start question anytime that person friend Monday to Friday 9:30 to 5:30 you know your numbers are available so over to me a friend question be an issue be will be an a ban immigration anything immigration say a court hearings appeals judicial review anything about immigration family law and so divorce and same settlement, anything regarding family, employment law, wills and probate, and so if any of those issues now person here a home command, it's also be friend in the course of the week, and we'll be more than happy to see a boy.
Yo, with the lawyer said they will be more than happy say more than aboa and in America say lawyer for 24 hours number no to subiem for to subiem
with the number no ever to so a 07944976161 mesa abosu ebiom a 07944976161 no now the question after that.
Yo mami embo modern na me so me sisi so numbers ne address ni na so biem na obi bisa se we dey next week obo modern ahwe because star prize no person no so person only the first person obeji star prize no yo yate but modern say we share more na we tie more na we bo hu dey ro ye a very special prize bi o wa ye de modern amount Fortwell Solicitors at that romantic ewo mode anti bomode na bon hu dero na we recommending call for so yes so a very big prize bin so edema and tell a friend to tell a friend say any Fortwell Solicitors and de bia no ye je abrea eno motwetwetwe nkomo ewo efidie eyiso na mamenka wo say Fortwell Solicitors omo lawyer ne twetwe nkomo dan koi ane ne di nkomo Womo areas omo modern practice ni bi amenkan encho ban immigration law dia oma beni wom asylum so oma beni wom nationality law family law and any divorce laws and ochechire mu no bomodian woma beni papa wom children law nyina employment law hwe sisi ya covid-19 ba ya ankona manwumedwumadie obehia lawyer makasa lawyer de te say personal doctor ontwen ma bibia to ansa na wape bia frɛ eno na motae ya na wafema kwa kopɛ book atafo ni because asemato nti wo pegidigidi be hunu akwa kofa lawyer bia bonse bati weni no ye diusi ka afia benya papa na ekɔ papa no ene Fortwell Solicitors amedi ho adanse entertainment laws so sa no ɛwɔ ho nimdeɛ statutory declarations sponsorship declaration change of name deeds housing disperse ni nyina nso no ombɛboa wo number enie telephone number na abotumi afrɛ no menkofa any other number bi mo numbers ni eno ani 020 3325 7030 020 3325 7030 and I say wetumi afrɛ 075 48701 011 omo fax so 020 88081346 sena lawyer kan no covid-19 still ano omo ne Skype omo be Skype kama mo gba adwuma amanfo bi ada no wo ma da no na Fortwell Solicitors there bi omo ntwen ema efikasimfo emfa wo nko efie de bi arada omo mmodian na omo aboa wo enti mesre wa frɛ na wo mo ne wo eni nkomo free consultation why free consultation pepe intimisre wa frɛ sisi a mra lawyer omo ewo office no na woni omo endidi enkomo why yo lawyer le kra nsa na meja o kra no me say kra nsa na meja o no kra no ansa na next week ye beba bi mu no dia na wo ede my
next week you have a very interesting topic at wow one by 10 we'll make sure that next week we'll by in 10 you'll be bought and come there were a lot of issues so IFA immigration any other areas of law you're practicing that's the part we're joining here now more share or Facebook platform there'll be asked
yo yeda mu nyina ma se sene abribia na ye no kosoa na etie GN Radio UK de biara no se meka cho se ye ba be free ha then nyoma de bia metai kan say no to domestic violence why ese covid-19 amanfo ahye dem mu a wo mo bu wo mo yire ene wo mo bu wo mo yire ani bu wo mo yire ani enti mesrew covid-19 nya fe na wo de wo yire ene wo ma eni ba be dane punch bag na ne mu bu wo mo a se ne ani de bi mesrew no na ebony se men kan je say look sa se mo de ye ntwem ne njai covid-19 na ba na amanfo nso beju o mani kakra woso ma on fire kakra to boy na krokro no na on bieja afedie entokwanko a ebeda lawyer dan call ase Tuesday bia no ye no mutena aha edidi nkomo mo amutie ye mo amofre ye
one day you will know these are the words of my
Dr. Ren and Miss Madam Ase.